Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ShipEngine to automate shipping rates, full guide step by step clearly. To connect ShipEngine and automate shipping rates, start by signing up for a ShipEngine account on their website. Once registered, log in to your ShipEngine dashboard. Locate the API keys section in your account settings. Generate a new API key if you haven't done so already. Copy the API key to your clipboard for use in later steps. Next, navigate to your e-commerce platform or shipping software. Look for the section where you can integrate third-party shipping services. Select ShipEngine from the list of available shipping integrations. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. Save the changes to activate the integration. Now, proceed to configure your shipping options. Choose your preferred shipping carriers from the available options. Set up your shipping zones and corresponding rates. You may also want to define custom shipping rules if needed. Test the rates by placing a test order through your platform. Monitor the shipping rates to ensure they are pulling correctly from ShipEngine. If there are any discrepancies, revisit your settings to troubleshoot. Once everything is in order, your shipping rates will be automated. Keep your API key secure and monitor your account for any usage limits. Review your integration periodically to ensure it continues to function smoothly. You're now ready to streamline your shipping process with ShipEngine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.